right, so I got the cloves and I just wash off these cloves. So this is the amount of cloves I have right here. And this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to put it straight inside of that cup. You don't have to use so much like a Chef Ricardo do. You can just use 2 or 3 or 4 to make yourself this cup of tea. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour some hot water into the cup like this. All right. And we're not going to be using anything else. We're just going to be covering it and leave it for it to jar for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you can drink it. All right, guys. But this is very good for so much things. But one of the main thing I recognize the cloves tea is good for is to help you with your blood sugar. All right. So here it is. You can get it to buy in your local shop or your supermarket. But go to the L shop and get the one without any. You want to get the organic one. All right.